Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Balkrishna Industries. Our analyst upgrade rating on Balkrishna Industries from hold to buy with a revised price target of Rs 3,195 in expectation of demand revival, sustenance of EBITDA margin and its market share gain strategies. Post reporting strong operating performance in Q4, the management has indicated that so far demand is holding up as assumed that its volume would grow in FY25. The stock is trading at a price to equity multiple of 23.6 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 16.3 times its FY26 estimates. Next we have an update on Mahindra and Mahindra. Our analyst maintains buy on M&M with a SOTP based revised price target of Rs 2,678 due to a healthy order book in the PV segment, market leadership in the tractor segment, opportunity to grow in the farm machinery segment, and its roadmap to play in the EV space. With a strong order book in the SUV segment, the company has planned to expand its capacity and aim for a mid to high teen growth rate in the SUV sales in FY25. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 21.2 times its FY26 estimates. Next we have Zydus Lifesciences. We retain buy with an upgraded target price of Rs 1200 as we see many visible levers of growth for Zydus going forward that would help sustain high earnings growth momentum in near term, led by first, Revlimid and other 30-35 products launches such as Vascepa, Desidustat, Mirabegron and Transdermal in the US that will play out in FY25. Second, steady growth in domestic formulation led by its strong biosimilar scale-up. Third, deeper penetration into European markets. We expect EBITDA margin to sustain around 100 bps every year to 29% by FY26 despite R&D spending of 8 to 10%, which is investment towards innovation. A healthy balance sheet of Rs 1,192 crore in cash will aid in case of M&A and a clean compliance track record will help garner any short-term opportunities in US and India. At current market price, Zydus trades at 26.2 times FY25 EPS of Rs 40 and 22 times FY26 EPS of Rs 46.5 per share, and due to rising focus towards specialty portfolio like rare and orphan drugs in the US, we ascribe a price to equity of 26 times to arrive at a price target of Rs 1200.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.